Hi guys, it's me, Winter. Oh my god. Today we're playing Tower of Hell. Oh my gosh, who bought this invisibility? We're playing Tower of Hell just for fun. Because I'm really bored. Roblox is making me so bored. So Tower of Hell is here for me. I don't get bored with it. So, yeah. So kind of bored, but no! But Tower of Hell is here. So yeah, it's not boring. It's not a boring game. But it's a fun game. Alright. You can't even see people walking. Seriously, this invisibility cause like Robux, cause like 10 Robux. So yeah. Dang. Alright. Ah! I'll be right back to the next round. Okay, we're finally at the next round, so we're going to do it this time. And yeah, let's do satisfying now, team. Now watch quietly doing this. Whoa, someone wanted invisibility. That's cool. Now watch me doing this, and let's be quiet. It's so hard. Why can't I do this? You know what? Ta-da! Wait, is this how we do it? I think so. I did it at the wrong way. So. How did they do it that fast? You're kidding me right now. No! Ah! I better swap servers. So we're at the new servers. Yeah. I hear so much oof. Bruh, this is the most easiest obby ever. People are dying. Oh shoot. Now let's watch this satisfying now. Watch it, it's so satisfying. Dang, when I fall, dang. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did it! Finally, all of these times and hours, I did it. I did it. Hope you enjoyed this video though. It's kind of like satisfying. Alright, let's see people if they can make it. Come on, you can do this, girl. You Yay! Okay, perfect. She fell. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you later, Queenies.